Hi everyone. We have been talking about diabetes and various aspects about diabetes. So today we have with us Dr. Jessica Pereira. She is a consultant physician at Galaxy Hospital, and she will share more insights about diabetes. So Dr. Jessica,
Yes,
do
doctor.
patients with diabetes have symptoms?
Often, doctor, they are asymptomatic. They are detected incidentally when they do the test for some other reasons, fitness for surgery or some other reasons like that. But there are some warning signs and symptoms which patients should not ignore. These are feeling excessively hungry even after eating well, feeling very thirsty even after drinking water, loss of weight without really trying to lose weight, passing urine frequently, especially more at night, experiencing a sensation of a dry mouth, getting frequent infections, especially in the mouth, urinary tract, or in the genital region. And many patients get wounds and ulcers which don't seem to heal, but the patients don't know that it is because of diabetes, that it's not healing. Some patients have vague symptoms, like they just present with fatigue, irritability, and tiredness. And when we do routine blood tests, we find that their sugars are high. Some patients present in a late stage when they present with the complications of diabetes. So they don't actually know that they have high blood sugars, but they come with the effects of having high sugars for a long time. These include effects on the eyes, causing visual loss, blindness, effects on the kidneys, causing kidney failure, decreased urine output, fluid retention in the body. It can also affect the heart, lead to heart attacks, heart failure. Then it can also affect the brain, can cause strokes. It can affect the nerves, where it causes numbness, tingling, cramps in the legs, loss of balance. And it can also affect the blood vessels of the hands and the feet, where the patients can get ulcers, wounds, blackish discoloration of the toes and fingers called gangrene. These are just some of the complications of diabetes in brief.
So doctor, is diabetes only about high blood sugar, or how does it affect the body as a whole?
It's actually the effect that the high sugars cause on the various organs. So it's not just the concept of having high sugar in the blood, but it is what the sugar does to the different organs of the body. So having high blood sugar for a long time will cause, it's called end organ damage. So it can cause microvascular damage, which affects small organs like the vessels of the eyes or the nerves, or it can also affect large vessels of the heart, brain, kidneys, etc.
So doctor, what message you would like to give to the public about diabetes?
I would like to encourage the public to take diabetes seriously. Many patients just say diabetes and then they don't follow up or they don't check their sugars regularly. Or once the sugar level comes normal, they tend to just stop their medications. So I would advise against these kind of practices. I would advise regular follow-up, follow the diet, exercise plan and medications. And prevention is the best cure. So if your sugars are well controlled and you have regular visits and follow-ups, I think we can prevent the complications of diabetes, which is what we need to focus on.